Question 11. Azad spends 140.40 euros on fuel in France. The fuel costs 1.30 euros per litre. He travels 1,200 miles in France. Work out his fuel economy. Give your answer in miles per gallon. Well, his fuel economy, here's a formula. It's the distance travelled and the amount of fuel used. The distance travelled, because it wants it in miles per gallon, you're going to have to get the distance in miles if it's not already in. It is already in, so that's easy. And the amount of fuel used, it's miles per gallon they want, so you're going to have to change that into gallons. And you can see it's given in litres. So once we've worked out how much fuel's been used in this problem here, you will have to convert it into gallons. And we'll talk about that in a minute. Now, we know the miles is 1,200. So that's dead easy. The top bit of that is fine. It's this bit we're going to have to do the work. We need to find the amount of fuel used. Now, he spends 140.40 euros on fuel. It's 1.3 euros per litre. So as long as we just divide to find out how many litres he's used. Oops. So if we do trusty little calculator, 140.40 divided by 1.30, that's exactly 108. So he must have used 108, but it's in per litres, it's in litres. Now we need to get that into gallons. Now one of the requirements that you have to know, one of the conversions, is that 1 gallon is approximately 4.5 litres. There's not an exact conversion, because when you're going from imperial measurements to metric measurements, there's not an exact conversion. So to convert 180 litres into gallons, we're going to have to work out how many 4.5s go into 108. If 1 gallon is 4.5 litres, then how many 4.5s fit into that? i.e. 108 divided by 4.5. And that's a nice number. I can't be bothered to think. 4.5, 24. And that does make sense, because a gallon, it's way bigger than a litre. So 24 gallons is going to be big, equal to 108 litres. Right, we're nearly there now. So the gallons he used was 24. So for the final mark, you just need to do this division. Fuel economy. You don't have to write this. I'm just doing it. It's not that you can read this. Goodness me. Fuel economy equals the number, distance travelled, the miles, divided by how many gallons of fuel used, and 1,200 divided by 24 gives you a nice 50. Oops. So fuel economy 50 miles per gallon.